Welcome back to GlitchSip. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to buy Robux using a Microsoft gift card. First, make sure you are logged into your Roblox account. From the Roblox homepage, go to the Robux section and click on Buy Robux. Once you're there, scroll down and you'll see the option to redeem a Robux code. If you already have a Microsoft gift card, simply enter the code in that section and confirm it. After redeeming the code, the Robux will be added to your account automatically. You can also choose a specific Robux package, and when selecting a payment method, choose Gift Card. This allows you to use your Microsoft balance without needing a credit card or PayPal. This method works perfectly on PC, Xbox, and Microsoft Store accounts, and it's one of the safest ways to buy Robux. That's it. Now you know how to buy Robux using a Microsoft gift card without any problems. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to GlitchSip, and I'll see you in the next video.